What you do? Look what you do. You want to steer your bike straight? Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna lay here for a while. Meditate. Just gonna refocus, right, grasshopper? Find peace, grasshopper. Be one with the bike, grasshopper. Be one with the bike. The bike is your friend. You like the bike. The bike likes you. You like winter. Winter likes you. You like snow. Snow likes you. Wait a minute. Not today. Snow doesn't like me at all. And my bike isn't my friend. Ah, get me out of the forest. Please get me out of the forest. Let's go. I just want to go to sleep now. I'm done. Kids, don't do this at home. That was so oh my word. Yesterday, I had such a great day. Same woods, different trails. You would have thought today would have been just as good. I had the positive mindset going in. Now my attitude sucks. No, it don't. I'm still having fun. I just, when's this end? You see me, I just, no reason at all, I'm just veering off, because I'm an idiot. You know, bike, you like coming out in the snow. You got tires for it and everything. Why are you rebelling like this? It's not right. You keep this up, I'll take the other ones out. You hear me? I'll take the other bikes out and you can stay home. You know what it is? You see that little tree right there? Right there. I can't go close to the edge because I hit it with my handlebar. I'll go too far here. I'll go off there. I'll stop. Hey, I already know what's going to happen. I told you! You know, I was doing all right. Then I wasn't.